Hello there. So, you want to create YouTube videos, but you are stuck? Why? Because you don't feel you have the creativity to do so. Well, you have come to the right place. Here are 10 steps to jumpstart the creative genius in you. The first thing you need to do is stop planning and start doing. You'll never get anything done if you are stuck in planning mode. Number 2, brainstorm and brainwrite. Write a list of things you love to do and extract ideas from them. Number 3, take some pictures. You know what they say. A picture tells 1,000 words. Who knows? Maybe you may find a word or two that will inspire new ideas. 4, if you try to get everything to be just perfect, you may never publish your work. So, lose yourself in the creative process. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Number 5, this one is way overused, but it is essential. Think outside the box. A lot of times, creativity will not fit into a conventional way of thinking. This may feel like reading a book backwards at first, but the more you delve in, the easier the flow of natural ideas become. 6, walk in the rain. Jump in a muddy puddle. Feel the patter of the raindrops on your skin. This is like therapy. It will bring back a bit of childishness and hopefully your childlike creativity. Number 7, listen to music and sing along even if you suck at it. Music is a fantastic vehicle for releasing tension and for tapping into a deeper part of your imagination. 8, write letters to your friends far away. How will this aid the creative process? Well, just imagine telling your friends about that trip you took to the Amazons. Only you must make it come alive through your descriptive writing. This can be both fun and rewarding. Plus, your friends will feel very special, more so if they have never received a handwritten letter through traditional mail. Ah, the beauty of the old days. Number 9, eat good food. Eat with your hands. It's all about getting down and dirty, just like a child would. Just do it. It's all in the name of creativity. And finally, number 10, spend less time watching social media because this will take up all the time you could be using to create your own work. Just remember, while there are guidelines you can follow to help you with creativity, you are unique in your own way, and your creativity will come out in a way that is distinctive to you. You only need to trust the process. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.